Lopez, your favorite realtor, and I'm back. Today we're in Coral Gables, a most picturesque and affluent city in Miami-Dade County, Florida. Let me take you around the city and show you the most popular and favorite places. Follow me. Coral Gables is home to upscale boutiques, fine dining restaurants, cultural attractions, making it a sought-after destination for luxury living. The city boasts top-ranked schools, world-class healthcare facilities, and a strong sense of community engagement. Residents of Coral Gables enjoy a high quality of life with access to beautiful parks, golf courses, and recreational amenities. The real estate market in Coral Gables offers a mix of historic homes, modern estates, and luxury condominiums. Properties here in Coral Gables often feature elegant design elements, spacious layouts, and premium finishes. The city's central location provides easy access to Miami's vibrant city life, stunning beaches, and international airports. Coral Gables is a prime location for those seeking a tranquil yet sophisticated lifestyle in the heart of South Florida. Whether you're looking for a forever home or a vacation retreat, please contact me, Annie Lopez, your local real estate agent.